Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just one block from the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 1K, a studio on the first floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the kitchen is on your right with a dishwasher, an electric oven and range, a microwave, and a refrigerator. Heading on into the apartment, you come to your closet. A large closet with two separate doors. On into the living area, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a full-sized bed, a desk and desk chair, and a bookcase. You'll notice that this apartment has a side nook, providing extra space. One great feature of Cityview is the high ceilings and the large windows that let in lots of natural light to this north-facing apartment, even on a cloudy day. Every apartment is air-conditioned and has a heating element. Another great feature of Cityview is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice, spacious bathroom with a shower tub combo and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent for Cityview apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Cityview 1K. Call us today for availability.